Watch out! Getting hands talk with Colony, helping people do their business better. And today we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your Logitech MeetUp Remote. Now this is an update from the version we did 5 years ago, so stay tuned. All right, so first off, there has been a change to the remote. I don't know when the update happened, but it did. And so now there's a screw in the back of this where before there wasn't. You simply slid the back off and it popped right off. So now you need to go find yourself one of these little tiny screwdrivers. I just happen to have one. And then you just simply remove the screw. Okay, now be careful removing the screw. Be sure you do it somewhere where you can easily see it, because look, it's tiny. It's a tiny little screw. And then there are where the batteries go, and they are the CR2032 batteries. And you put them with the little plus side up, little plus side, and you slide it in there. It goes in place. Now to take these batteries out, so the existing batteries that are there, you can use like a butter knife. Make sure you move these little clips a little bit, because it kind of clamps in the battery. So make sure you kind of move the little clip to the side and pop the battery off. But then once you put the batteries back in, you take your little top, right, and you align it. So you see the little home button, the little button in the back goes there, and then you take a little screwdriver and you screw the little guy back into place, and there you go. Batteries replaced on the Logitech MeetUp Remote. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.